What's up, everybody? This is Scott, the TacMed EMT, back with a new video today. I got a cool piece of kit I wanted to show off a little bit and just talk about and show you guys. I'm seeing a trend on my channel. You guys really like some of the new equipment or some of the IFAK setups or ways that we carry gear in the field. So I got a new product that's, well, it's new to me on the market anyways. I thought I would pass it on to you guys in case maybe you can fit it into your TacMed system. Today what we have is the MED plate carrier. This comes from a company called Aussie Peelback, AUSSIE Peelback. They're based out of Canada. This whole system here with the neoprene cover, patch and everything runs you about $150. That's without any of the TacMed supplies. I've already went ahead and outfitted this with some of the basic TacMed interventions that you would want to carry. So those are not included. They do sell those on their website, so you can get them for an additional cost, right? What you get with the MED plate carrier is you get the little orange back plates, the neoprene thing with the pull tab, tons of Velcro options for you. It's all about 150 bucks roughly from Canada shipped. And then you're gonna have to attach your own TacMed interventions to it. But basically the way this is designed is a plate carrier setup. So it's gonna slide, if you're wearing a plate carrier, it would slide up underneath your plate carrier. The pull tab would hang down below. You would yank this tab out and pull out your TacMed system. This unvelcros. And as this neoprene carrier sort of peels back here, this is where you would attach all of your TacMed supplies. So basically what I did is I just got your NPA, your trauma shears, cat tourniquets. We always love quick clot, Israeli style dressing, and your SWAT T tourniquets. You're basically going to get this, Velcro is already embedded on it. This plate is actually kind of cool because you can also flex this and maybe make a splint out of this if you needed to. So there's some uses even for just the plastic piece itself. You don't have to buy the neoprene carrier. You can actually just Velcro these items and you can use this just as is. I like the neoprene cover on it, so that way if I do ever have to just yank this out of the bottom of a vest, all of the stuff inside will at least fall and stay inside of the little baggie that it comes in. So if some of these little items do come unvelcroed, at least they'll be inside the bag when I need them. So kind of an interesting little setup for this. It also comes with a ton of little Velcro tabs, so that way you can attach these to your items, and then as you use them, it comes with additional tabs that you can replace onto different pieces of your interventions here that you need to use. So pretty sturdy, pretty quality, good product. I just wanted to throw that out there to you guys to share that with you. So maybe if this works into your system, if you wear a plate carrier, I'm going to debut this at our Tactical Med course, not next week, the week after, for our law enforcement casualty care. For some of our maybe SWAT operators who may be attending that course, this might be a great viable option for them. For me right now, this doesn't quite fit into my system. I've got my little vest mounted pouch and then my additional clip-on condor pouch or my drop leg pouch that you guys have seen videos on before. So that kind of works for me right now. I don't really have a dedicated plate carrier to put something like this into. But who knows, in the future, as needs evolve, maybe this will come into play for me as an actual deployable tool. But anyways, for right now, check out the MED plate carrier from Aussie Peelback. You can find their website, Aussie Peelback out of Canada. And hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more videos soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care, guys. Be safe.